Please let me know and be honest. Is anybody surprised by this? Surprised by how low we are now? Surprised by the price action? Shocked? Anyone taken aback? Anyone that didn't see this coming? Let me know. I really want your honest thoughts, reactions, opinions on all of this. If there was anyone that was not expecting this, please let me know. Like, don't feel bad or anything. I really want to know if anyone was not expecting this at all and is just completely shocked and like lost and confused and doesn't know what's going on. Hey Rachel, good to see you. Okay, so Christopher, nope. Olga, not really. Flux, expecting it. I even had a support line drawn exactly where it dropped. Amazing. I love it. Cheryl, no. Darren, a bit, yeah. I expected some bombastic announcement that would push markets up dramatically. Not at all. Good. I love it. I love it. It seems like most of us here are not shocked, are not surprised. And we're open to it, right? We were expecting it because we have literally been talking about this for probably a month now, I think. A good month, ever since this consolidation period. And I do agree with you, Darren. As Dory and I were discussing last week, I mean, we were all discussing it, but I liked what Dory said, how she said, you know, it's show business. Trump is going to make something out of the crypto summit. But it turns out, no, he did not. Literally after hours, once again, another show business trick. He came online, wherever it was, and did his announcement. So the crypto summit at the White House was kind of a nothing burger, a nothing event. The real event was like 2 hours after our call last week. And it turned out to be a sell the news event, which we did discuss. I said, hey, you know, we got the Sunday pump from Trump's Truth Social post. And then Monday, we corrected pretty much the entire pump candle. And then Thursday, our call was this candle right here. And it was like, okay, tomorrow, you know, it's either one of two options. It's either going to be really good, he's going to say something amazing, and we are just going to pump effect, or it's going to be a sell the news event because whatever the good news is has already been priced in all this time. So it turned out to be 2 hours after our call. It was indeed a sell the news event. So we've just been dropping ever since last week. So while I did expect Trump to make an opportunity out of the White House Crypto Summit, I guess it's like, well, whatever, right? We were open to the fact that it could be a sell the news event. And if he doesn't use the White House Crypto Summit as a thing, as a pump event, then he's just seeing it out as a long game. Like there's a long-term play here. So unfortunately, nothing cool, no pump from Friday. But I think it's just a setup. It's a setup for something to come after. So it's a bit more long-term vision there. Janet, when they announced the BTC strategic reserve and then the market went down, it played right into your prediction of sell the news. Yeah, exactly. Crazy, right? It was all fluff. Yup. Just ego stroking. Janet, I am watching and not day trading, waiting. Good. Yeah, day trading, there were actually some, it's kind of risky because some great day trading opportunities would have been short trades. So you want to take like short sniper entries. But then it's also like, I'm nervous. Even I'm nervous, even when the price action is clearly bearish. And every coin has been on a bearish trend since at least mid-January. It's like, man, you never know. if you short right now, at the top of a bull market, you don't know if that's the wrong thing to do, and you are trading right into the bottom. So I'm pretty sure you guys and gals share my sentiments there. Even me, with how long I've been in the market, even I get nervous shorting this deep in a bull market, even when the technicals are there, even when the technicals are screaming short. So yes, That was just to reply to Janet's message. Yeah, day trading, I'm waiting. The opportunities are there to short, and you could have had some pretty good short trades, but I'm a little more cautious. I was wondering if I should be able to see the DDP. Yes, I see it going down. Yes. So the DDP is down. The DDP is down for a lot of the coins because it's been clear impulse downwards for all of them. Like, I don't think, maybe not even a handful are on the up. So DDP for all of them are bearish. But, even when the DDP is down doesn't mean you are going to take a short trade. Because, you could have like 20 pairs on your watch list and they all have a DDP of down, but it doesn't mean you're going to get in 20 short trades that day, right? It's always about confluence. It's about taking the best trades you can. And like I just shared, even me, I'm a little hesitant to trade short when we are at this high in the bull market. But that's just me. Like, someone else that's more aggressive and more confident trading short could totally do it. Rachel looked like a double top way back. Exactly. Yeah, we pointed that out on our first call or second call. Yes, double top. That's why I have these two arrows. That's a double top. And I was saying, well, it's kind of a higher high, but it's only $1,000 difference. That's 108K and that's 109K. So you could call that a double top. It's not textbook clean, but it's a double top. So that played out, right? Like, again, you want to zoom out and look back every now and then because, traders are so like this. They're like, oh my God, freaking out. Oh my God, bear market. Oh, crypto was over. Trump scammed us out of our bull market, whatever they're yelling about out there. But every now and then, zoom out, look back, zoom out, look back, and you can be like, you know what? The signs were there. Okay, first top, second top, that makes a double top. And okay, double top, you expect price to go down after that. Yes, it did take a long time, right? But looking back, you can see the technicals played out exactly as what the chart shows. So it did take a while because we were sideways for like a month. But then after February 20th, which was a month after Trump's inauguration, January 20th, where we got the all-time high, it's been down. So confirmed double top, confirmed technicals, everything's still behaving. It's not going up in a bull market, but it's behaving based on what the charts are showing. So I hope you all see that. Candles are going to keep wicking down for as long as people keep trying to long the bottom on leverage, right? So they've already done it here. They've tried doing it here. They probably tried to do it here. I don't doubt they tried doing it last week, Thursday, the day before the White House Crypto Summit. So a bunch of people getting in leverage long positions. And if they enter it somewhere here, liquidations are going to be in this area. Because they keep thinking that's the bottom, so let me 10x this. Let me 20 or 50x this. Which, of course, turns out not to be the bottom. And so if that's not the bottom and they're in leveraged positions, just a bit of price action back against them is going to knock all their stops out. And all that does is provide more liquidity to keep the downward momentum going. As you can see, it's been doing. So from Thursday, last week, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days straight. 5 red days straight. And that was supposed to be like the good news week, right? The Bitcoin Strategic Reserve week. So, like we said, like Janet said, it was definitely a sell the news event. But even with the sell the news event, hey, we had our levels marked. We were ready for it, right? So I'm happy, very happy that we were all prepared, open for it. We had it in the back of our mind that, hey, this could happen. It's a possibility. And if it does happen, we're not going to freak out. XRP, to me, I don't like to fight with the market. I like to look at what the charts are telling me and be like, okay, like not impose my own thoughts or feelings or my own will on it. So right away, I drew this head and shoulders in a few weeks ago to show you, and yep, okay, we did get a pop-up. That was, Sunday's Truth Social post. Thanks a lot, Trump. Rebounded the next day, and we've been on the down. So look at this. Look at the lows. That's a low wick. That's a lower low, and that's a lower low. So it's making lower lows. I don't see anything good here. I really don't see anything good with XRP. And back to this that I shared before. XRP has one pump per cycle in the past. So here's December 2017, one pump. That was it for the rest of the cycle. 2021, you pumped one time in April, and then it sizzled out. So, okay, not exact the third time. We got a pump in November. We got another pump in January. So that's one more pump I didn't see coming. I said, I think November that's it. It's going to be one pump for this cycle, and it's going to fizzle out. I was wrong, and we did get another pump January, but I don't know. Maybe that's as far as we go. And then you take that and you couple it with this narrative, and that makes me lose even more faith in Ripple. It's just like, what? It seems like you're trying to get people to buy Ripple at the tops. That's what I get from this. Like, why would you include Ripple in the US Crypto Strategic Reserve? It's very weird to me. Maybe it makes sense to you. Maybe it makes sense to other people. I'm sure it makes sense to the XRP army out there on crypto and YouTube. But to me, a technical analyst, that doesn't make sense to me. Christopher thinks same. Yeah, so I sold my XRP at it was between 220 and 250. And, people are going to make you feel stupid for selling when you do. I'm happy with where I sold. My God, looking at the price action. Okay, I sold my XRP, every XRP I had left. And instead of holding, if I had just held from that pump, I'd be right back where it was. Do you see what I'm saying? So the pump that got us up into the $2 area was here. This is November, right? November, post-Trump winning the elections. And let's say you held it. You're like, yeah, go XRP, go Ripple. I love this thing. You held it and you didn't sell. Well, hello, today we are back where we were. The exact same price level as we were in November, December. So it's like, you know what? Why not take some profits? Maybe you don't sell the whole thing. Take some profits and utilize that capital, right? There's better ways to use the capital rather than holding on to something and being back at the same level you were months ago. That's like 3-4 months ago now, right? So yeah, that's what I think. Just want to share that. Yeah, I sold at 2 something. I did not sell at 340, and I'm okay with that. Like, I'm totally happy with that. When it went to 340, I did not feel bad or kick myself. I was like, whatever, it is what it is. Cool, I could have gotten another $1 out of it. But I sold, and now that I see where we are, and everybody else that held at $3 and $3.10 and $3.20, $3.30, $3.40, now I'm happy because we're back at the same place, and people who held are no better off than me who sold quote unquote early. My chiropractor said XRP will be stronger than BTC. Michelle. Yeah, well, unless your chiropractor has solid solid experience. Whatever. I just take that as retail noise. My chiropractor, my barber, my hairdresser, my Uber driver, whatever, right? The table next to me at the diner, that's just retail noise. Yeah, I said nothing. Maybe one day, you know, but that's a far away day, way in the future. And you've seen my XRP controversy lesson and crypto trading mastery. You know my thoughts on that. Yeah, there is real solid thesis behind XRP. If it's a government coin, if it's a centralized coin, yeah, governments are going to use it. That's amazing. So make money from it. But as of right now, it's not the best place to make your money. You know, just looking at this chart, it's not the best place to have had your money for the past 8 years. Okay, because you got like 3-4 pumps and you're not that much higher than you were in 2017. And then you take a look at something like BTC, you know, since your chiropractor said it's going to outdo BTC, well, compare BTC today to what it was in 2017. Hundreds, maybe 1,000, 2,000. So, you know, what do you prefer? Do you prefer $2 to $3, or do you prefer $2,000 to $80,000?